going to be learning about how to compare numbers using an alligator, or I'll probably say crocodile. So let's get started. I want to show you something really fast first, so hold on. Okay, so here you can see, I will put the mouse here. Okay, you always want to show which one is greater by, you can draw a little crocodile mouth like this. We kind of practiced a few days ago, but it's fairly easy. So here we can see 12 is bigger, it's greater, so the crocodile mouth will be open and wanting to eat the 12. You can see here on this one that I've highlighted, 17 is bigger than 9, so the crocodile mouth, the mouth will eat the 17. Sometimes you'll have two numbers that are the same. That is what we call equal. So instead of having a crocodile mouth, you will have an equal sign. So keep that in mind as we go through these slides. So which group has more? I have 2 on this side and I have 3. So what you can do here is on a whiteboard, you could draw the crocodile mouth or the equal sign, or you can write it in a journal, or you can just picture it in your mind. The one that has more is this one. 3 is bigger than 2. So which group has more? I have 4 cars here and 2 cars on this side. I'll give you a few seconds to either say it, picture it, write it, draw it, whichever you prefer or whichever you can do. And the 4 is bigger, 4 is greater, so the crocodile mouth would eat the 4. Which group has less? Less means which number is smaller, so we have to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is less, 6 or 5? 5 is less, so we don't want to eat this one. We still want to eat the bigger number. So we need to show it by drawing the crocodile mouth, opening up and eating this one. Try to do this one on your own. Which group has more, the orange or the yellow fish? The orange fish has more, so the crocodile mouth will eat the orange fish. Which group has less? You're still going to eat the one that has the most, but it wants you to find which one has less first. Is it these paw prints or this group over here? This group has less, so the mouth is going to face away and we're going to eat the 6 paw prints instead. Try to do this one on your own. Okay, so you can circle, you can draw this, you can pause this and draw it. You can just do it on a whiteboard, or you can just picture it in your head, whichever you can do. Show me which group has more. So it says, ask the alligator. This group has more, so we would draw the crocodile or alligator mouth eating this group of ice creams. Which has more? Ask the alligator. 4 is bigger than 3, so we're going to eat the 4 cookies. Okay, for the lollipops, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cookies. Lollipops here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 lollipops on this side, so the alligator is going to eat this group. Which has more? Let's ask the alligator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's close, but 8 is bigger than 7. So the crocodile is going to eat this group instead. Sometimes you won't have a picture. Sometimes you'll just have the number, kind of like how I showed you here. So you need to figure out which is greater by having the alligator or crocodile mouth eat that one. So let's go back. So you could write this on your journal. You could shout out the number that has more, or you can do it in a little journal or whiteboard. So 1 or 5, which is greater? 5. Which has more? 3 or 6, which is the bigger number? 6. Which has more? 4 or 2, so the crocodile is going to the bigger number, or the alligator, I should say. And he chose 4. Which has more, 10 or 12? 12 is greater. So whenever you draw this symbol, it means more or greater. So let's compare the numbers, writing the symbols in the box. So again, what you could do is I know in my class we practice with our hands to make alligator mouths or crocodile mouths. You can also write them in a whiteboard with a dry erase marker, or you can write them in your journal. So compare the number that has more. Which is the crocodile or the alligator going to eat? 3 owls or the 4 owls? It's going to eat the 4. 4 is greater. So compare the numbers, write the symbols in the box. Which is greater? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or, oops, 1, 2, 3, 5 is greater. Try to do this one on your own. Keep trying to do these on your own, friends. Just remember, you eat the bigger number. Use the symbols, or you can use your hands. Compare the numbers, write the symbol that shows which number is greater in the box. Alright, good job, friends. Feel free to share those answers with me on Class Dojo. See you soon.